Dr. Masaru Emoto from Japan had done an experiment on water. When he took, with some technology, he took the pictures of the water. It just came as, no shape, basically. And then later he got people to bless it. There was a meditation that was done in front of the water. And then when the picture was taken, the photograph was of a crystal, a beautifully formed water crystal was there. Hi, this is Anshu here. So basically what has been already studied is we are about 75 to 80% water, we human beings. We are made up of 80% water. And if this experiment was done on water, and once the water was blessed and it could change to a beautiful flower-like crystal shape, imagine what happens with our thoughts. If we keep thinking negative things, if we are not able to focus on something, set our goals, and have a defined plan for our life, what can happen because of those thoughts? And now imagine for a moment that you are able to focus, you are able to set a goal for yourself, plan your life ahead, think completely positive, affirm to yourself that you are moving towards your greatness, and be grateful all the time. Imagine what kind of change that does, that whole positivity, what kind of a change that can bring in our life. So I invite you over to join me for a workshop on this coming Saturday at 3 p.m. where I am going to share with you as to how powerful our subconscious mind is, and hence our thoughts. It can make the difference between making or breaking our life. So please be there, and I'll see you inside to take you through this journey. Bye-bye.